Good evening, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. Sorry if I sound a bit low, as I'm not feeling really good today. I think so I've got a cold from someone. So starting off analysis with net gas, gold, silver, crude oil. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. As we are still below 50 EMA, we need to see a pullback. We can still push up to 50 EMA. That is very likely. And let's say there's no bearish engulfer and price break above 50 EMA. In that case, we will turn completely bullish. We will have a possible retest of this neckline and then an entry condition and price will start to push up from here. Let's see how the market opens. If open above, if you are already in the trade, that hit will take profit. That is good. The second take profit right here. Above 50 EMA, then I'll start to look for my pullback and a pullback entry bullish and I will keep on taking long bullish trades. Nice one. So as you can see, this gap up opening hit the target. If you have already holded that trade over the weekend, then that hit your take profit too as well. Now what to expect from here? So as clearly mentioned in my last video, that we can also get a possible formation of head and shoulder, which we had right here. And I also want to point out a pin bar on a daily time frame, which is right here. A nice pin bar or a 382 candle. You can call it a 382 candle right from here, a 382 candle and a pin bar right here, as you can see on Ovanda. So we have a good pin bar, means we had a formation of a bullish candle. If you're a student, you know it is an entry you're going to learn in the advanced section of the course, and that closed. And after that, the price nicely pushed up, open above in gap. So I'm still looking at this level above for the price to head to, looking at this nice pin bar on a daily time frame for the long-term traders. Right here at the level above, which is here, at least the recent tops, I'm expecting a price to head to on NG1 as well. So good bullish pressure and we can see further push up in general. Now talking about entries, we had a double bottom right here, a nice double bottom, and once the double bottom entry triggered, which we took right here, if you remember, then the price has a neckline which is right here. Now the second entry triggers after the break of neckline. If you mark this to make it prominent, right here. So we had a break of neckline. As the price opens above in gap, we did not get a chance to enter a second entry, which is a break of neckline. Now at this point, either look for the bullish engulfer, a next candle. A green candle can be a very risky signal, but it can be a signal that price is gonna push up. I'm also looking at Ovanda across right here. A bullish cross happened here. Now if this candle turns out to be a 382 candle, that is also one of my buy signal. For now, it is not a 382 candle. The body must be above the 382 retracement. If that happens, that also shows a good bullish pressure. With that, we have a bullish cross, and in that case, I'm expecting a price to head higher. So in general, we are bullish. I'm not expecting a price to head higher for entries. If that turns to be a 382 candle, that will be a likely signal for the price to head higher. So keep an eye here. We are bullish on a daily and a bullish on 4 hour as well. Double bottom played out nicely. And now I'm looking at the level above. Now, once the price hit this level, right here, we can expect some pullbacks and then a continuation. So we'll see a strong bearish engulfer here or double top here. So keep an eye on this level. I've already mentioned these levels. Now, in case you're brand new on this channel, right here, these numbers in blue on capital.com and right here, these numbers on Ovanda. Keep an eye. I'll keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos once the price starts to push up. Now, we are allowed to take either a pullback entry bullish, something like this. You know what pullback entry bullish is, or just a bullish engulfer right here or a pin bar right here. So keep an eye. We have a possible buy signal once this candle is closed. Neckline, retest of neckline is happening right here, and that will likely to push the price higher from here. So that guys is bullish now, and now expecting a price to push up, not selling as long as price is trading above this area and we are above the zone which I've already mentioned yesterday. Next up, we have gold. Now, due to fundamentals, as you know, the world situation and recent incident happens in Middle East, gold has pushed up. Now, we are still inside the range. We are still not broken above the range. As long as the candle is not closing above these highs, we are still not completely bullish. But looking at the fact, we are broken above the 50 EMA. We are getting a cross or 50 EMA, as you can see right here. Two green candles. My bias is more towards the upside. As we have made a new high, we are allowed to take a pullback entry bullish. Now, if we have a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, that is simply my buy signal. So keep an eye. Just pullback entry bullish, which is very likely in next couple of days. Once we have a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA, in that case, we are going to go long and use 1 ATR for your initial targets. So gold is likely to push up, and looking at across a break above a new high, I'm expecting a price of gold to head high. Silver is massively and dramatically pushed up. Now, as we have broken above these highs, as I've been mentioning from a couple of days, right here, we can now look for a pullback entry bullish only. So simply just a pullback exactly like gold, followed by bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, we're going to go long now. Recently, the price broke above this little structure right here. So we can still use the Fibonacci levels from here if you want to, something like this, with a pullback with a buy limit order at 50% retracement, which is 31.85 here or under. We have a very likely chance the price will retest 50% or 382 retracement as well. That is a very likely chance. If someone who is not a very aggressive trader, 382 retracement can be also a very good entry, or buy limit order 50% or 382 retracement. From here, we can see another spike higher. That is something for aggressive traders. For less aggressive traders, just simply a pullback entry, bullish, as we are above 50 EMA. I'm now expecting a price to head higher here on silver. So only buy trades for silver. Lastly, we have crude oil. Crude oil is bouncing up nicely from the level of support. I don't want to confuse my students in the MMTA course. If you are my student in MMTA course, you will learn a strategy which is in the advanced section. A strategy called advanced multiple targets strategy, where we enter this type of trade as well. So don't get confused, you will learn this strategy here. But nice bullish engulfer that nicely pushed up, as mentioned, that we can likely see a push up from this zone. As we are still below 50 EMA, if we have a bearish engulfer, that can still push the price lower and price can still form a double bottom here. And we can still see some range trades out of crude oil. So bearish engulfer will be a signal of sell till here, double bottom from these candles. If the price break above 50 EMA, in that case we will turn completely bullish and price will likely to head higher to the next level of resistance, which is right up there. If you're trading on capital.com, in case exactly same bearish engulfer, which is likely here, that can still push the price lower. I will mark my double bottom rejection zones, which is something like this. The price retest, come back to my double bottom area, forms a bullish engulfer green candle pin bar. In that case, I'm gonna go long from here. If broke above, in that case we will turn completely bullish. So keep an eye. Let's see if you have a bearish signal or not. If you have, I'm gonna go short to my double bottom area. I'm gonna go long from here with a buy signal. So that is it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.